tired. I'm starting to sleep better at least, which is good. Maybe if we didn't drink so much rum and coke at night, you wouldn't have to get up to pee and all that sort of thing. At least hardly any traffic around here. Rubio. More detours than you can poke a stick at. There's a nice group of riders coming up. Hey. Tutta discesa. I like that. All downhill. Yeah. Adios. Hello. Conco Kanken. Yeah, here we go. There should be a nice view of the plain down there in just a moment. Wow, look at this. Pretty high tech. And no lollipop people warning us to slow down. Oops. Except for this. I am on the wrong side of the road, but I think they've shut things down on the other side. I'm not sure. Oh, they have. Oh, amazing. I didn't see this yesterday. I suppose then again we're going through a different section. Good group of riders here. Buongiorno. Jesus, here we go. Ah, frickin' hell. How are you supposed to keep a line when you got such crap roads? Oh! Oh, Jesus. He's come down. The Carabs are about to go. And you see the red marks there on the ground? That's where poor Franco bled. I'm switch back on. We're taking things very easily after the tragic crash with that guy, Franco. Nice views. He was looking elsewhere and shit himself and locked up the brakes and bloody hell, planted his face into the bitumen, that's for sure. He's most definitely got a broken forearm. He had a huge hematoma right on the forearm. That was Pradipaldo. Rallentare, slow down. Looks like a couple of Willia Triestina team riders doing some training up here to Castelfranco. Yeah, cop this, will ya? Bloody hell. There. Could have been me. In fact, there they are. Oh. Hey, that was Pozzato. We've still got a way to go to get downhill. Oh, thank God. Only one left. Cop this. We're about to go into Bassano Centro. He's taking a totally different road that I did yesterday. He obviously knows the road, so I'm hanging back. The bridge. There it is. Wow. This is the other roundabout you can turn to get back onto the 47 up ahead. Sure lost a lot of time today. I think we go right here. Yep. 47 dead ahead. And it's straight to home.